Hi guys, welcome back to a new video. It's Rachel here. Thank you so much for watching. So for today's video, I'm going to show you how I recreated my eyes, this smoky brown eyeshadow look using their new e.l.f. mini bite-size eyeshadow palettes. These are so freaking cute, like how tiny. So I purchased other products too, a few reviews on the new e.l.f. products. But before we get started, please like this video, subscribe to my channel, and then let's get started with the tutorial. Okay guys, so we're gonna get started. So for the first product I'm gonna prep my skin, and this is the AOA Studio. This is their hydrating face primer. So I hardly wear face primer just because I like to apply moisturizer as my primer. But this stuff is so good. It's just like a gel formula, which I love. I already did my eyebrows and I just cleaned it just a little underneath, but we're gonna still prep the eyelids. And by the way, this is $1, you guys. If you haven't tried this is from their Shop Miss A line. And then for the eyes, I'm gonna apply this e.l.f. Eye Putty Primer. Yeah, Putty Primer. So I got this one in cream. I got it in cream, I guess. But it looks like this. I don't know how I feel about it. I never use eye primers actually. In all my tutorials, I always use a eye concealer to just prep my eyes just because it's so convenient. But it doesn't go on as like creamy as I want. It does dry really fast. So you guys have to work pretty fast with this. So I'm just going to grab my little sponge and I'm just going to blend it in. Hopefully it just blends better. Definitely does see like a dryness. Let's see how it goes with eyeshadow. So I'm really excited. I purchased a lot of things from e.l.f. Cosmetics. I've seen these all over Instagram. These are the these are their bite-size eyeshadow pumpkin pie. This one's a pumpkin pie and I got this one also. And I also purchased the hot jalapeno, which I'm gonna use pumpkin pie, just a neutral brown, a smoky eye. And I also picked up their liquid glitter eyeshadow 24 gold. So cute and so little, like, so I can't wait to play with this one. Wow, that is 24 gold. With my purchase, I got this free product, and this is their e.l.f. Activate, their post workout cool mist. I haven't tried this after workout, but it says you could also apply this after or prep your skin before makeup. So definitely feels like a nice cool down. It has a great fragrance, like a fresh, clean fragrance smell. I like the mist. So let's see how that one works. It's almost like a prep spray, like a setting spray, I guess. So let's get started. So I'm gonna go ahead and open up my pumpkin pie. Oh, little. So definitely loving the brown tone. So I'm gonna swatch these. I don't think they have names. So this is the first brown. Ooh, love that. And then I'm gonna do the copper. Wow, so pigmented. And e.l.f. is one of the first products that I ever purchased too, because they were so affordable back then. It was like $1. The prices went a little bit up now, but they used to be like $1 for everything, $2. And best believe I was buying everything e.l.f. I'm gonna grab this a warm brown right here, and this is just gonna be like our crease right here. Doesn't seem to be picking it up as not like the putty primer. Is making my eyelids look bad. You know what, I'm just gonna grab a concealer and go over it, because I feel like this eyeshadow is not sticking on my eyelid. Much better. It's definitely blending way more easier. It was getting patchy, so I don't know how I feel about that primer, the putty primer. I don't know if I'm using it right. Definitely liking these colors. These eyeshadows are definitely up my alley, right up my alley. These colors are so nice and so warm, and so far it looks so good on my eyes. So now I'm gonna go in with the darker brown, which is right here, and then we're just gonna dab it into the corners, into the ends and corners of your eye. So we're gonna dab it right here, and then we're also gonna dab it in here, and then we're gonna blend it in, and then we're just gonna leave this space empty right there because we're gonna apply that gold. It's almost like a halo effect to your eyes. So I'm just grabbing a clean brush and we're gonna blend it out. And then I think the other brown, this one, it does have a darker brown, so I might even apply this one also, just to make it more darker and more smoky. And these eyeshadows don't have a lot of fallout, so I'm amazed that once I blend it, it actually stays on your eyelid. It doesn't disappear. Now that we did the outer corners, the inner corners, now I'm gonna go ahead and grab this one. This is the cream and sugar eyeshadow palette, and I'm gonna go ahead and grab, ooh, oh my gosh, I just dirtied myself with this gold champagne color. It's so pretty, perfect for like an inner corner highlight. But anyways, I'm gonna grab this dark brown, and again I'm gonna apply this on the corners right here. Okay, so now that our eyes look like this is how I want it to look like. Now we're gonna go in with the fun part, and I'm so excited to go with the 24 gold, 24K, and this is so pretty, you guys. So let's see how this looks. I'm just gonna apply it in the center. So this is so pretty, you guys. Like, I am obsessed with this color. It feels weird on your eyelid, but I'm gonna go ahead and grab the pumpkin one. I'm gonna grab that brown and just like a blend in, just so it doesn't look weird. Just throw some in there, blend that brown in the gold. So I'm gonna go ahead and grab this like metallic orange brown, definitely metallic, and I'm gonna apply this just on the edges. Grabbing this dark brown one more time, and I'm gonna go in back with the 24 gold just because it almost disappeared, so we're just gonna apply just a little bit more. I should apply this at the end, and I'm kind of like doing like a squiggly line. Definitely want to see how this dries on my eyelids, see if it like affects it. Is it gonna look patchy? So let's see what happens. And now we're gonna grab the liquid eyeliner. So I'm using Wet n Wild for today, and I'm just not gonna create a wing. I'm just gonna apply some just right here. So now the eyeliner is on, and I'm gonna go ahead and put mascara on. And my favorite, you guys already know, telescopic mascara, L'Oreal. It is the best. Don't ever if you guys haven't tried this, highly recommend it, and you would never go back. It's pretty hot outside today in Chicago, so I had to turn off my AC so I can film, because then you'll just hear this loud air blasting. And now I'm sweating, and I'm just gonna hurry up so I can turn on my AC already because I'm sweating. So now we're gonna go with our face. So I'm just gonna with my LA Girl Pro concealer, I'm gonna just hide my dark circles. This is their peach concealer, and you guys, this is my new favorite blender sponge. This is also from the Shop Miss A website, and it's like $2. And I apologize if you guys hear me with my snizzles. I have allergies. It's like the highest pollen in the air this summer, and I just have the worst allergies in the morning time. And I hate it that every time I want to do my makeup, my allergies want to come. Like, why? So if you hear me, sorry about that. It's so annoying. If you guys have allergies, I feel you. For foundation, I'm gonna go in with W7 True Match, and this is in W7. So this is very like a warm caramel caramel color, caramel, whatever. So this is pretty tan on me, but it's okay because it's summertime and I'm trying to even out my tan. And I just love the True Match foundation because it's so lightweight but still full coverage, and it's like non-drying to my skin. Because it's so lightweight, it's like the perfect foundation for summer too. It's not so heavy. Also, if you hear a bunch of noise, people are cutting the grass. It's summer, everybody's outside. So to contour my face, I'm gonna go with the Can't Stop Won't Stop concealer, and this is in Mocha. It's a little bit darker for me, but I think it still works pretty well. And for my nose, I've been loving these two brushes. So these are actually also from the AOA Studio, the E110, and then this one is E108. So this one I like to blend because it does have like this sharpness, pointy. These two came a set, an eyeshadow set. I think it's $10, the whole set. So there's a few eyeshadow for the eyes, and then also for the face brushes. The face I'm not the biggest fan of, but for the eyes definitely are very interesting and very good quality, and there's no hair fallout so far. So definitely reminds me of like Wet n Wild eyeshadow brushes or e.l.f. eyeshadow brushes. So very affordable and still good quality. And then we're just gonna do some concealer. This is the e.l.f. Camo Hydrating Concealer. And I'm gonna go back with the same brush I used to contour. I'm just gonna blend this in so you don't see it anymore. And now to set my face and bake a little bit, I'm gonna go ahead and use the e.l.f. This is the matte setting powder. So I got this one in medium. And for this, to apply it, I'm just using a dry sponge. Like you guys already know, I'm obsessed with my Fit Me Maybelline powder. It's so good. And also the Huda Beauty. So I'm excited to see how this one. And then I don't like to leave the face powder on my face not for too long, just because I have dry skin. So I'm gonna go ahead and grab the Fit Me, and this is the powder in 235. So I'm just gonna grab my face brush, and basically I'm gonna press this into my skin. And this seems to be like the best method to get the like flawless complexion. Instead of swiping away the powder, just press on it. So now we look a little bit powdery, a little bit. It's not bad. I don't know, I just feel like the Fit Me and the Huda Beauty just give me like the best coverage for my under eyes. I'm just gonna apply the e.l.f. Activate just to warm everything up together. Just because I just applied a lot of powder. Now we're gonna bronze our skin, and I'm using the City Bronzer from Maybelline, which is my favorite bronzer. So good. I'm definitely like the warm bronzers. Like they give you like, it's like a warm brown with the tint of orange in them. I don't like neutral bronzers. They kind of just don't do anything for me and make me look dirty. For my eyebrows, I'm just gonna touch it up with the Benefit Gimme Brows, just to comb them a little bit and remove like all that powder. And then just a little bit of blush. I'm obsessed with this e.l.f. Always Cheeky blush. Actually looks really good, even though it's like almost like a pale pink. It looks really good on me. And actually I forgot to apply some powder on my nose, so I'm gonna grab my flat little brush, eyeshadow brush, just to define my nose just a little bit more, just because it kind of disappeared, my contour. So now we're gonna go back with our eyes, and I'm gonna go ahead and grab the dark brown from my pumpkin line, and we're gonna smoke out my waterline. I think it makes like a big difference. Loving these eyeshadow palettes. So I picked up this e.l.f. This is their calm balm, their hemp-driven cannabis sativa, which is okay. I mean, it does moisturize your lips, but for me, like, my lips are so dry. My skin in general is just dry. I need to drink more water. This just doesn't last on my lips for as long as I want it to, so I definitely have to keep applying it, and like constantly, which is annoying. Then for my lashes, I'm gonna apply the Araceli lashes, and this is in rosarito, just because these are so pretty. These are like amazing. They look also very nice and natural. Let me tell you that I found like the best eyeshadow glue. It is the best eyeshadow glue. It is $2. It dries up pretty fast and definitely stays on. It looks like a little brush. That I complained in my other videos when I would use a dual glue. It was just hours. It was just waiting and waiting for it to dry. And see, my lashes are on, and it was so freaking fast. You guys, hear me out. Try this glue. And just for the waterline, I'm gonna grab my NYX a black eyeliner, and we're just gonna smudge this right in the waterline. Then grab your mascara and apply underneath. For the lips, I just removed the lip balm, and I'm gonna go ahead and apply Trendsetter from Morphe. Just like that. And then I'm also gonna mix in Bite Me, also from Morphe. The trick is just to like overline your lips. Obviously, grab your finger and smudge it in. I'm gonna grab Morphe, and this is First Base First Base matte lipstick. And now I'm gonna grab my Kkwbeauty brightening in number 2. The Kkwbeauty brightening, it's like the best. If you guys haven't tried it, it's so good. And that completes my tutorial, so thank you so much for watching, guys. So I am obsessed with these bite-sized eyeshadow palettes. I also purchased different other colors, so I cannot wait to also try out the jalapeno one. I love green also. But these two are definitely worth your money. These are so affordable. They're so small, and these are so good. I am obsessed with them. Also with the e.l.f. Active, their new active line. This is a post-workout cool down mist. Definitely obsessed with this. I definitely want another one just to keep it in my purse, especially at work or when you're out and about and you get hot. You can just spray this, refreshes your skin, and also is perfect for before and after makeup. e.l.f. matte setting powder. This one, it's pretty good. I'm actually not gonna lie, but this is probably like my top 5. So it's pretty good, and it's so affordable. But that completes my video, my tutorial. So thank you guys so much for watching. Please like this video, subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already. Let me know any products that you also love during this tutorial. But thank you so much for watching, guys. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.